Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me. I hope everyone had a wonderful and safe Labor Day. So I picked up some deals, and anytime I pick up deals, I like to pass them on to you guys. So I got these for very, very inexpensive. These are the Darius embossing folders. There's all different kinds in here. Now, most all of them, there's just one of each at this point, unless I can find more. But these retail, I think, for $3.99. And then I picked up some Cuttlebug and Sizzix, different ones here. And these are normally $6.99. Now, we're going to have all of these on sale for $1.99. They're going to go up on the website in just a few minutes as soon as I can get photos taken of them and put them up. But I wanted to let you guys know first, because you guys are my supporters, and I always like to let you guys know first about any bargains and any deals that I find. So I'm letting you guys know first before I put this public. They are going to be up on my website as soon as I get this video uploaded. Now the link will be below, so you can just click that link and go right over and pick the ones that you want. Like I said, most of these, there's only one of them at this point. So this one, I'll try to show you as best I can. This is Santa Claus, and he's stuck down in the chimney. There's the chimney. That is a cute one. These would be so great for Christmas cards. And there's one with the snowflakes and the swirls like the wind is blowing there. This one has got the clocks on there. This is... it's just called multi-lines. It's just got a lot of different lines in there. But you know, you could make that. You could put this on a card and make it look like those trees and things, different ways that you would emboss it or something. This one is just little doggies. Isn't that cute? I haven't seen one like that before. So if you are a dog lover, this would be great for you. This one is a llama. Llama is really big right now. Here's a Christmas tree with all kinds of ornaments and things on there. And then here's a nice fall one. It's got fall down here, and then it's got the leaves on it and the acorn. I know you can see my camera in there, sorry. Then here is one that has the music notes. And this one is a flower. Looks like a daisy, or I don't know. You guys know I don't know my flowers. You might can make that into a sunflower even. That's cute. This one has 3 different ones on there. It's got the polka dots, and then the lines that look like tire treads, and then the brick. And this is the ray, the sun ray one. And this is the eyeballs. That'd be good for Halloween. See those eyeballs in there? Try to get it where it don't get glare and it's not getting my camera so you can see it. This one has the anchors and the steering, the wheel thing for the ships. Oh, that's hard to see, isn't it? I'm sorry. There we go. You can see a little bit of it. And then this one is a butterfly with the swirl. Here's the Easter eggs. And this is a tree, or trees, I should say. It's more than one. And then this one's the tree branches. And this one looks like it's just a frame. That would be cute on a card. It's a frame there. And here's another frame. And this one is just the ornaments, the Christmas ornaments hanging down there. This is measuring tapes, rulers. And looks like more snowflakes. There we go. And then this one is a nice fall one. It's the pumpkins. Let's see if we can get that. The apple crate with the apples in it. And then there's another big pumpkin in the back there. There we go. You can see it a little bit. And then this one is just the circles there. These will be easy to show. They don't have the plastic on the outside of them. This one is just some flowers and swirls. This is, it just says blessed, wonder, little miracle, angel, little one. Be good for a little kid's card or a birth announcement card. That would be cute. This is just some swirls. And let's see what this one says. This one says merci, thanks, so kind. It's different kinds of ways to say thank you, looks like, and then how kind somebody is. This one is a little frame. Cute. This one is snowflakes. And then this one is the paisley. See if you can see that. It's hard to see that one, isn't it? See if I turn it over this way, if you can see a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Paisley. This is, looks like a fall swirl with the leaves blowing around, that kind of thing. And then this one is a beautiful chandelier. Let me see which way I can get it to make it look better. There we go. See that chandelier? Let's turn it over and see if it looks better this way. There we go. Let's see a little bit. It's a beautiful chandelier. This one is just some flowers and swirls. Sorry, I grabbed my lights when I turn it a certain way. And then these two didn't have names on them, but let's see. Yeah, it does right here. This is a Quick Cuts. This is Quick Cuts, and this is a Christmas tree. I'm going to open it up and see if you can see that Christmas tree. There we go. And then this one is just like wildflowers. Let's see if I open it, if you can see it better. Sometimes these dark ones you can open. There we go. See the wildflowers? That'd be cute on a card, and color those in. All right, so that is the embossing folders. I'm going to be putting these up, and I'll have that link directly below. Like I said, I wanted to let you guys know first, because I always like to let you know about any deals that I find, to give you a chance to grab them if you want them, and if you don't, then I put them out to the public. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.